Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube video. In today's one, you get one secret that you need to bear in mind when you are trading Forex. Whether you are a beginner, you're a professional, it's really important for every Forex traders. And this is nothing more than to know the best time to trade and the best pay to trade in that time. Because I noticed that many people blowing their accounts repeatedly because of not knowing the best time to trade. So that's why this secret, it's really beneficial. It really helps to change my trading experience. It really maximizes my winning probabilities and less my losses. So that is why I'm motivated to bring it out to you and just say it will be a great benefit to you. Only if you pay attention, watch the video to the end, you'll notice all these step-by-step procedures to follow. So now, how are you going to know this the best time to trade and the best way to trade? First, go to your Play Store. When you are there, open your Play Store and search for this application that is called Forex Hero. See the application right here. Then you install the application. After you install it, open it. This how the application looks like. Get many forex trading courses that will widen your knowledge. But the one we are going to right now is the market hours. So just go to scroll down and click under the market hours. You can see the chart here. You can see the chart. So this chart gets timer. This time that is here gets lined and it moves. It's real time. This line that it gets is just to signal you the session that we have right now. So based on your country time. So the first thing you need to do is just to go to this place, this arrow that is here, and click it. Then you first change to your country time zone. Like for me, I'm in South Africa. So that's why I choose this African time zone. So when you choose the time zone, so this timer here will use your own time zone. It will based on your own time zone. So what we are looking for here is the best time to trade. If you look down here, you can see three boxes that is here. Right, first the best time, the second one is the worst time. So when you click the best time, the first box is best time, you will see that it will indicate three basic periods that is the best time, and this period is the time that liquidity do go high in the market. And you can see small liquidity between the Sydney and the Tokyo overlap. You can see much higher liquidity in the starting of the London session, and we can see the highest liquidity between the London and the New York overlap. So we are looking for the period that get the highest liquidity. For me, when once the timeline that is here just move enter the first bar of this first line, I will start my trading. Then when once you move, stop for can't reach this last line of this bar, I will just break. Then when once you move again to the second bar of the best time, I will then resume, and to the last bar of the best time, which is the London and the New York overlap. So it's two sessions that are really trade. Is the start of the London session and the London and New York overlap. Now, what is the best way to trade to this time? As we just look the chart, you will see the recommendable pace to trade during this time. One of it is the EUI in USD. It is very good pay to trade during the London session. Another one is GBP USD and USD and USD JPY. That is EUI USD, GBP USD, and USD JPY. Can choose any one of these pairs and focus on that pair during this session. No matter the strategy, your own trading strategy that you get, make sure that you are trading it in the best market session that is in this time that I'm showing you, and make sure say you are targeting the best pay to trade in that very time. Make sure to change your time zone based on your country, and still make sure that you are not risking more than what you cannot avoid for your own trading. At least 1:3 to reward ratio. This one will help you to recover your own losses and stick without blowing your own account. There are still so many things to follow up. This is one of the secrets that many traders, successful traders, will not easily open up to you. There's no analysis person can use that will make the person profitable if he is not using it at the right time. Trade it in the right time and the best pay for that time, because this is the only secret that will give you much more winning probability and minimize your own losses. Thank you for watching this video. If you see it helpful, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and lay down any comments in the comment section. Bye for now.